sun burns low over the savanna, casting long shadows across a land where every step can mean life or death. In this unforgiving wilderness, strength is everything. But sometimes, strength alone is not enough. A lion, silent and calculating, moves through the tall grass. Every muscle in its body is tuned for one purpose: the hunt. It has chosen its target carefully, a buffalo. This is no ordinary prey. The buffalo stands its ground, massive and unyielding. Its eyes lock onto the approaching predator. Not with fear, but with defiance. In a world where most run, this one refuses. The lion lunges. The savanna explodes into chaos. But something unexpected happens. The buffalo fights back. With explosive force, it twists, charges, and counters the attack with shocking precision. Horns swing like weapons forged for war, forcing the lion to recoil. This is no easy kill. This is a battle. The hunter is now forced to rethink. Each second drains energy, each move becomes riskier. One wrong step could turn the predator into the prey. The buffalo presses forward, relentless, powerful, almost fearless. It's as if it knows something the lion does not. Out here, survival isn't just about hunting. It's about resisting, enduring, refusing to fall. With one final surge of strength, the buffalo breaks free from the grip of death itself, leaving the lion standing in the dust, outmatched, outplayed. In the wild, there are no guarantees. Sometimes the hunter wins, and sometimes the hunted writes its own ending.